Hey artists, welcome back. Today we're going to draw another super cute character from Lilo and Stitch. This time we're drawing Angel, step by step, nice and slow so you can follow along easily. Grab your pencil, get comfortable, and let's start together. First, draw a soft horizontal line near the bottom of your page. This will be our base where Angel is resting. Keep it very light because this line is just a guide. Now, draw a straight vertical line right in the center of the page. This line helps us keep everything balanced and symmetrical. Don't press too hard. Light lines are your best friend when drawing. Take your time here. Good drawings always start simple. As you continue, you'll notice that around 0058, we add a circle right on the center line. This circle is very important because this will become Angel's nose. Make it round, soft, and centered. If it's not perfect, that's totally okay. Now, let's focus on the eyes. On each side of the nose, draw large oval shapes. Make them big and expressive. Angel's eyes are one of her most adorable features. Inside each eye, draw smaller ovals and tiny circles for highlights. These little details bring life and emotion to your drawing. Suddenly, Angel starts looking back at you. As you move forward, gently refine the shape of the head. Connect the curves smoothly and keep everything round and friendly. Take a moment to erase any extra guidelines you no longer need. Now we're getting closer to the middle of the drawing. Around minute 306, you'll notice that the oval shapes you're drawing near the bottom are not random. These ovals will become Angel's arms or paws resting on the ground. Draw them soft and rounded, just like little cushions. Make sure both sides look similar, but don't stress if they're not exactly the same. Small differences make drawings feel more natural. Now let's work on Angel's ears. Angel has big, beautiful ears, so don't be afraid to make them large. Start on one side, drawing a tall, curved shape going upward. Then repeat on the other side. Add the inner ear details with lighter lines. These shapes help give depth and personality to the character. As you continue, add small expression lines on the face. These subtle curves give Angel that sweet, gentle look she's known for. Take your time and enjoy the process. At this point, your drawing should look clear and well-structured. Now pause for a second and look at what you've created so far. You're doing an amazing job. As we approach minute 423, you can see the final result coming together. Angel is fully formed, cute, balanced, and full of personality. This is the moment where everything connects. If you're enjoying this drawing so far, don't forget to give this video a like, because that really helps me a lot and supports the channel. And if you love drawing characters like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials.